to demonstrate some question in WS6. So for the first one is the straight line is intersect how many points, or do we intersect it? So first of all, you just set x squared plus y squared minus 5x minus 15 equals 0 is equation 1, and then 3x minus y plus 1 equals 0 is 2. So from 2, I just change some subject, so y is equal to 3x plus 1, let's say 3. So substitute 3 into 1, and you will get x squared plus 3x plus 1 squared minus 5x minus 13 equals 0. And after you remove the bracket, so it becomes like this, and is 10x squared plus x minus 12 equals 0. So how many, if I want to distinguish whether it's intersect or not, we need to find the value of discriminant, so which is equal to 1 squared minus 4, 10, negative 12. Okay, do you still remember the formula of discriminant, where the quadratic equation is like this? So the value of discriminant is 481, which is greater than 0. So L intersect C with 2 points. Okay, that's the end of question number 1. And for question number 3, if the number of points of intersection of straight line, this is the straight line and the circle, at least 1. Okay, so that means the discriminant at least once, that means it's greater than or equal to 1. So it's equal to or equal to 0. So I just write down the equation like this. The method is almost the same. Plus k equal to 0 is equation 1, and x plus y plus 3, which is equal to 0, is equation 2. So from 2, so y is equal to negative x minus 3, so it's equation 3. And then I substitute 3 into 1, and you will get this negative x minus 3 squared. Sorry, okay, it's x squared plus, and then plus 7x minus negative x minus 3 plus k equals to 0. And after you solve the equation, is solve x squared plus x squared plus 6x 7x plus x plus 3 plus k equal to 0. And then you will get is 2x squared plus 14x plus k plus 12 equal to 0. And about the discriminant, it becomes b squared, which is 14 squared minus 4ac. So this one is c, so it's times k plus 12. So as the question mentioned, the intersection point is at least 1. So I write down is must be greater than or equal to 0. So after that, you will get is 196 minus 8k minus 96 is greater than or equal to 0. So after you solve this inequality, you will get just 25 over 2 is greater than k. So you finish question number 3. Okay, and for question number 4, there's important keywords is if a straight line L touches the circle. So what does it mean? That means for a circle, and as a straight line, just touch it. So that means you have only one intersection point. Therefore, the discriminant must be equal to 0. Okay, these are very important keywords. Okay, find the value of k. So this is plural form, so k must be more than one answer. So I just write down the format like this, the similar as before. Plus kx minus 7 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. And y equal to x plus 3. This is equation 2. So substitute 2 into 1. So which is x is equal square plus x plus 3 square plus kx minus 7 is equal to 0. And we'll remove the bracket like this. And you will get 2x squared. 2x squared plus 6x plus kx plus 2. And because L touches C, so delta is equal to 0. And go so on. So the k square, should be k plus 6 square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay, I write down in another format. So it's 2x squared. So I try to take out the common factor of x. So it's 6 plus k and then plus 2, which is equal to 0. So after how to solve the k is not difficult. It's k squared plus 12k plus 36 minus 16 equals 0, and k squared plus 12k plus 20 equal to 0. So k is equal to -2 or -10. So that's the end of question number 4. And for question number 5, and this another type of question is find the coordinates of the point. So you need to find x and y. Okay, so in each of the following. So the first one I just demonstrate 5a. So it's for x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y minus 36 equal to 0 is equation 1. And y equal to 2 minus x is equation 2. So I just solve this 2 equation. That's enough. So substitute 2 into 1. So x squared plus 2 minus x squared minus 4x plus 2 times 2 minus x minus 36 equal to 0. And then just simplify the equation. So minus 4x plus 4 minus 4x plus 4 minus 2x minus 36 equal to 0. And you will get this 2x squared minus 10x minus 28 equal to 0. After you solve the equation, you will get x is equal to 7 or x is equal to -2. So once you finish, you must substitute into the straight line. So substitute when x is equal to 7, so y is equal to 2 minus 7, which is equal to -5. And when x is equal to -2, so y is equal to 2 minus -2, so y is equal to 4. So the coordinates of intersection point are 7, -5, and -2, 4. So we finish 5a. And for the last question, for question number 6, the radius of the circle with center is 0, 5, 3, and the radius is root 5. And the equation of straight line is this one. So find the equation of C in general form. So it's not difficult, it's x minus 0 square plus y minus 3 square equal to square root 5 and square. This is the equation of circle. So after you remove the brackets, it's x squared plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equal to 5. So x squared plus y squared minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. This is the general form of equation of circle. And for part B, okay, find the coordinates of the intersection point. So this, for the first equation, I write down like this. This is the first equation. And the second one is y equal to x plus 2. This is the second one. So I just solve this one and 2. Oops. So the first one, substitute 2 into 1. That means x squared plus x plus 2 squared minus 6 times x plus 2 plus 4 equal to 0. And after simplification, you will get this x squared plus x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 6x minus 6 minus 12 plus 4 equal to 0. And you will get this one minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to negative 1. So you need to substitute these two answers into the straight line. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 plus 2, that means equal to 4, or when x is negative 1, y is equal to negative 1 plus 2, so y is equal to 1. So the coordinates of intersection point are 2, 4 and negative 1, 1. Okay, so that's the end of